Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we're discussing with you emmarelief review. So, if you're wondering what is the emmarelief here, so what it is, or you're just looking into ways to deal with daily digestive discomfort here, well, you've probably heard or seen about emmareleaf. Now let's break down exactly what this gut health supplement is. Now emmareleaf here is a daily digestive supplement in capsule form designed for adults. So it is formulated as a natural long-term support tool or supporting tool to targeting the root causes of common abdominal issues rather than just masking the symptoms. The primary concept behind the brand is to support regular bowel movements, relieve occasional gas and bloating, ease food intolerance, and promote a balanced gut microbiome and strong gut lining. Now, the core features here of MREF is doctor endorsed blend now of essential vitamins, minerals, and plant-based botanicals. Now, when you look at the supplement facts label here, the active formula includes magnesium and zinc, berberine and quercetin, and also B vitamin complex, and a lot more. And they also have like DGL and star anise, so which is a herbal extract additionally used to soothe as the digestive tract here and ease heartburn and reduce trap gas. Now, the general steps to use the supplement is incredibly straightforward. So, the standard daily serving size recommended by the manufacturer is exactly 2 capsules. To take both capsules daily, swallowing them with a full glass of water. And the official guidelines suggest that taking them continuously every single day to allow the natural ingredients to build up in your system and properly stabilize your intestinal environment. Now, if you look at the official purchasing channels here, Emma Relief comes in bottles containing around 60 capsules, which gives you around a standard of 30-day supply. Now, a single bottle, as of this moment, if you're going to check their website, so one pack here is around $50 or 50.15. A 3 pack here is, or a 90-day supply here is 41.65 per bottle, which in this case, if you times this to 3, because again, you are going to buy bottles here, it's around 124, 23 around that area. And the six pack here is around like 33.15 per bottle. Again, you need to like multiply this by 6, because again, you're buying 6 to get this specific discount here. So yeah, so before actually using this specific product here, it is highly recommended that you consult or visit your doctor first to get the best results and just to make sure that this will not interfere with any medications that you may be taking as of this moment. Now, it's better to be safe, but that's about it. So for this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.